in the general studies geography, GS geography part of the preliminary exam, as we know, there are two most important areas. One is the physical geography, and you can say this is the physical geography, where you have world physical geography generally you are talking about, and another one is regional geography where you have India part also. By the way, physical geography and another one is human and economic geography. I have divided this into two major parts, human and economic geography and physical geography. And let me tell you, these two areas, physical geography where geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography, etc. are there. In this application part is in India part also. If you look at the number of questions here, these are physical geography questions are good. Physical geography questions are generally in fact concept based. Their fact is very less except the India part. So, physical geography you have two areas here. Physical geography you have two important regions. One world physical, another one is India physical geography. Okay. So, two major area. This is in the physical geography, world and India two part. In human geography again the same case, world and India two parts you have, India and the world. Now what we need to do, world geography and geography of India. If I will go for the weightage in the physical geography of the world, majority here it is concept based, but India part is application based. It is mostly application based, and in the world geography part if you will see, mostly it is map based. Human geography, they are mostly it is map based in world geography, and it is fact based. India part is mostly fact and application. I will in fact gradually we will get to know about this, how it is application oriented and how it is concept oriented. If you look at the previous year paper, you will find out in the physical geography, for example, they are asking about rock types of metamorphism, or the mountain types, and mountain types with this the mechanism related things they have asked. In the India part on the contrary, they asked about drainage system. Every year you are getting question from drainage system. The networking of the river, how it evolved, what is there. Factual things mostly, application and facts are there, of course both are there. One by one topic wise we will discuss about this. World and India part, weightage wise if you will see, out of the total question, this part physical geography if you will see in total has almost 60% weightage. Physical geography 60 to 70% weightage is there, and this is 30 to 40% weightage you are having, human and economic geography. Gradually what happens, this particular part India fact and application, this part is increasing. ये जो trend है ये increase हो रहा है. This particular India part fact and application based question are gradually they are increasing. So we need to prepare in that particular aspect. We need to see these things. My friends, let us start from a very easy and yes, good morning to all of you. Fine. I got the first WhatsApp here from your batch. I am saying physical and the human geography both, if you will see, this is completely concept based and application. Here it is some facts are there, more and more facts are there in the human part. Analysis you have to do and so many things are there. In this coming couple of days, what I will do, I would like to discuss the most important topic and hope we will able to cover whatever the dimension the UPSC is supposed to ask this year, that I will cover. I feel so, and I need your complete participation on that. what type of participation every day you have to revise, and the text which I will give you, you need to just the prescribed whatever material I will say or the topics I will say, you covered it from whatever sources you have. Let us first go for this in the physical geography. If you have seen our planner, we have written one thing that today is, for example, universe, solar universe and the earth, and some basic things I have given. That is beyond these two, like general geography used to call. That is for fundamental things. One should know about earth rotation, revolution, latitude, longitude. Okay. So these are the things they have asked on the universe, though it is a part of science and technology. Universe and our solar system, in which you are getting questions also, and hope you will get it because of our lunar mission and all. So we will look at all those things. So today, as our earlier program, which whatever we have given, based on that I can say that in the preliminary exam, the number of questions what is there from geography, I feel you will get 12 to 13 question maximum, out of which we can have some map based question, we can have some concept based questions, application, and fact based. If I will go for weightage, out of this, in fact, 2 to 3 questions you will have. 3 questions on the upper part, 0.3, concept based 0.5, application 1 to 2 questions. If it is 4 to 5 questions, 3 to 4 questions you have like this, fact based question. We need to look at, based on this 12 to 13 questions you are getting, fact based questions are increasing nowadays. ये जो map based question in this, map based questions are mostly from India. The area which you need to see, people are facing problem on map based question. So for which I will say, while reading the current affairs, please look at the peripheral area in a map. For example, you are talking about Caspian Sea, you must see what are the countries bordering these regions. Aral Sea, what are the most important countries in this region. While you are talking about Babel Mandab or the choke points of Indian Ocean, for example, Red Sea region, Babel Mandab, you should see near Babel Mandab what are the countries are there. Where is the most important countries located in and around the Black Sea, for an example, or Ukraine, the countries bordering Ukraine, countries which are forming boundary with any disputed territory, any important regions. In the mapping part, we need to be very strong and we have to do this. Friends, these are the areas, as I have just mentioned, map based question 3 questions nearly, concept based question nearly 4, and the application 2 questions. These are like, as I feel, this type of question can be asked. Let us see in the exam how we will get it, but most of the questions will be somewhere over around this particular trend. Based on the last couple of years analysis, I can say that they are asking questions sometimes to disturb you. I mean, this fact based question particularly to distract you from the trend. So we will see, a question was there regarding Ranjit River. Ranjit River was in news because of in the Sikkim, Ranjit River, a tributary of Tista. It was asked earlier. There is a question about national park and river system, questions on the city and the river. So these are like, map based questions, whatever they have given, map based, these are questions are map based questions, but in a different orientation. So let us prepare for that. So my discussion will be on the basis of the exam trend only and weightage of the topics. As you have seen, And as we all of us were aware about this, like what to study in geography, how to go for this. My request to all of you, please look at previous year question paper. Please look at the previous year's question paper while we are going for any of the topic. This will give you some insight into the trends at least. Though we are going to discuss it in detail, but I want that you should have that orientation at least.